LinkedIn, YouTube, social media. Ryan Cody here from Ascastle Integration. Now, if you're a private equity firm or a hedge fund, or if you're in the alternative investment space in general, chances are you've probably heard of us. We've been doing this since 1995. That's when we started, which basically makes us a dinosaur in this industry, which is a good thing because a firm like ours has survived and has adapted and has changed and has innovated throughout all the technological innovations throughout the past 25 years. So we've always stayed a step ahead of the curve. We're always innovating. We're always experimenting with new products and services that serve our clients' demanding needs. So again, just quick background. If you've heard of us, this is a good refresh, good reintroduction to Ascastle. If you've never heard of us, then this is a good just general introduction to who we are, what we do, and the value that we provide to the alternative investment industry. Again, we started back in 1995 with the specific goal, with the specific mission of providing world-class technology management and support services to hedge funds, private equity, and other organizations within the alternative investment space. Today, we have over 660 clients. We have over 400 clients on the award-winning, first of its kind as private cloud infrastructure, which operates on the global as private cloud infrastructure. We have over 380 employees across 11 offices worldwide. Our headquarters is in Boston. Our largest office is in Manhattan. That's the office that I'm located out of, although I'm filming this here in beautiful Bordentown, New Jersey. We have a Chicago office. We have a San Francisco office, Los Angeles, London, I believe it's Hong Kong, and then Singapore office as well, just to name a few of them. Also Minneapolis. All of the services and support that we offer are backed by our 24/7, 365 global support desk. These folks are not only experts in technology, they're experts in financial technology. They know the demanding requirements of our clients and are able to meet them day in and day out, no questions asked. We've designed all our products and services with you in mind. You know, this is a very demanding industry. What do you place a premium on? You place a premium on compliance, security, redundancy. We realize that throughout the course of a day, you can't lose a millisecond in trading time because that could be the difference between millions and millions and millions of dollars. We know that you have to be SEC compliant. Some of you have to be FINRA compliant. You have other regulatory bodies that govern your industry that you need to be compliant with. So everything we do is designed to keep you in compliance, to keep your systems safe, secure, redundant, and available to you and your users when you need them. Our flagship program right now is the As Private Cloud. With the As Private Cloud, we've paired the traditional features, functionality, security, redundancy of the As Private Cloud with Office 365 E3. So what do you get with this? You get email through Exchange and Outlook. You get file storage and sharing through OneDrive and SharePoint. You get collaboration tools like Skype, Yammer, Teams, and you also get access to the full Office suite. So that's Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and on top of that, we've layered security. Remember the concept from an earlier video, if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, defense in depth. So not only do you get all those features from Office 365 E3, but also the security, resiliency, redundancy of the As Private Cloud. We've bundled a variety of security services to come that comes standard with our service offering. For example, mobile device management, email encryption, antivirus, malware protection through internet content filtering, advanced threat protection, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention, mobile device management. This all comes standard with the plan. Redundant hosted domain controllers for user authentication, secure application access through Citrix, site-to-site VPN, user VPN. The list goes on and on. And then also we have other services. Some people take us for the whole bundle, so we do everything from A to Z for them. Others use us for specific services. We are our own internet service provider, ECI Net. We are our own VoIP telephone system provider. We offer managed security services. In addition to the services that come standard with our package, we offer additional user testing and training through phishing emails. We can do vulnerability scans, internal and external. We could do penetration testing. We could help you come up, we could write a written information security plan for you. The list goes on and on. What really matters is that we have a conversation. We get to know your firm. And we already have a general understanding of the needs of your industry, but we want to hear more specifically from you about what your technology challenges are and have a conversation about how we can help you overcome them and really use technology, leverage technology as an advantage for your firm. So I'm looking forward to talking to you. If I was better with video editing, right now my email and phone number would come across the screen, but it's not. Just go to my LinkedIn page or shoot me an email and you can see everything I have to offer in terms of contact information. Appreciate it, guys.